Hello, everyone. My name is Lana Hiasat, and there are many highlights from facilitating ISW in Dubai at higher colleges of technology. My institution comprises of 17 different campuses, and having an ISW was a great opportunity to engage with colleagues from different divisions and in different regions across the country in the United Arab Emirates. Otherwise, I would not have that opportunity to meet these colleagues. Until today, when I come across some of my colleagues that I did the ISW workshop with, I meet them with great warmth and friendliness. And now we have become friends. Also, ISW is an opportunity to go beyond educational typical workshop. Since in my region, the teachers are mostly expatriates, and knowing some how-to hacks and some deals became very valuable. So some of the ISW workshops were around that, how to get around and what are the best tips and tricks and best ways to be in this region. I found that the more experienced I became also in teaching and in leadership and other important skills, the more ISW became relevant to me. I highly advocate it as a great opportunity to learn no matter what level of education and experience you have. It's always been very valuable.